Question 4, we're supposed to solve the equation and then show or explain how you know if your answer you found is correct. When I look in here, one of the most common mistakes is people are not saying x equals. So when you actually write your answer, you have to start out x equals and tell me what that is. When we solve the equation, I'm just going to give you a hint on your first step, or what I suggest as your first step is I have a couple of suggestions. Either one, you use distributive property on the right side to get 1/3 of x minus 4, or you mitigate these fractions from the very beginning, and you can take this side and this side, multiply them both by 6. The reason I chose 6 is because you have fractions of 1/2 and 1/3. And between the two of these, the least common denominator is 6. So if you were going to add these two together, you would have to turn them into sixths in order to have common denominators. So that would make this one 3/6, and this one would become 2/6. So by multiplying by 6, what would happen is I would take half of 6. So this one right here would become half of 6 is 3 times 6 minus 42 is equal to x minus 12. Because, or excuse me, not x minus 12. I forgot one little thing on there. 6 times 1/3 is 2. So I would have 2 times x minus 12. Okay? And the reason for that is because that only affects the coefficient of the set. Once you're done there, whatever you get for your value, if let's say x is 6, I think x equals 6. What you have to show for me in part B, either in a picture right here or an explanation, is how to verify that your answer is correct. I don't want to see your solution process. I don't want to see you add 42. I don't want to see all that. I want to see that you know how to take the solution that you came up with and test it to see if it makes the equation true by substituting it into there. 3 minus 7 is equal to negative 4. 1/3 of 6 is, or excuse me, 6 minus 12 is negative 6, and 1/3 of negative 6 is negative 2. And I know that negative 4 is not equal to negative 2, which means my answer is wrong. My answer has to come out and make both expressions true in order to be counted as the correct answer. Give it a try.